Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nickolas, and Nickolas is 10 years old. He is an identical twin, and we're working on arm strengthening activities, and we are getting to the hard stuff now. All right, we're gonna do knee push-ups this time. I'll tell you the kind of things that seem to help for me. A lot of times the placement of arms and legs are hard. Just remember, the more narrow your hand placement are, the more you're getting triceps, the wider your arms are placed, the more you're getting your chest or pec muscles. Let's go ahead and lay down on your belly. I want you to lay all the way down. So I'm going to slide you back this way. Whoop. I want your hands underneath your shoulders for me, please. So 1, 2, can I have this one? And I like, when I'm doing knee push-ups, to go ahead and cross the ankles. And that just helps keep those hips down. All right, from here, can you push up and then come all the way back down again? Yep, push up, and then come all the way down. And with the knees crossed in the back, I find that it helps keeping those hips in line with the body. Give me 2 more like that. 1 and 2. Excellent. This time, I'm wanting you to go and only touch your head, not go all the way down. 1. Uh-oh, your hips are going up in the air. All right, let's get your hands out a little bit further again. Hand out. Oops. Let's go all the way down flat. Go all the way down flat. See you later. Go all the way down flat. Get your hands back in the right position. You ready? All right, now he's in a good position again. I'm going to have him push up. Go, 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 go. And I want you to go down and just touch your head. And come up. Push. Woo! And go down and just touch your head. And come up. And I'm helping at those hips because he's wanting to, what I call, tent those hips, where the hips go up in the air. So you want to, can I switch places with you? Here, scoot that way. So I want those hips to be in line with the body and not sunk down or up high. I call that tenting when they're up high and slumping when they're down low. That you're wanting to keep them in line with your body when you go up and down. And so I was having just to help a little bit to keep those hips low. Come on, back with me. Knee push-ups are a great way to start working on developing really strong core muscles and pec muscles, tricep muscles. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.